Score a deal on red seedless grapes at Bash's this week because they have them on sale for just 87 cents per pound. And you can buy up to 4 pounds at that amazing price. It is turkey time. Albertsons has free turkeys. If you clip the coupon in their ad and spend $100 or more, you can get up to a 15-pound turkey for free. Or if you spend $150 or more with the coupon, you will get up to a 24-pound turkey for free. Plus, Albertsons also has a gallon of milk on sale for $1.87 each with a limit of 2. At Pro's Ranch Market, you can buy 3 avocados for 99 cents. Fry's is going to make it easy for you to get your veggies. They have already peeled mini carrots on sale for 99 cents for a 6-ounce bag. Hungry for chips? Fry's has you covered. They have Lay's potatoes or kettle cooked chips on sale for $1.87 per bag with a limit of 2 bags. It is delicious apples at Food City this week. You can get 3 pounds for just 99 cents and buy up to 6 pounds for that price. At Sprouts, you can save on blackberries. They have a 5.6-ounce container for just 88 cents each. So there's just a glimpse of some of the deals that you can expect to find at Valley grocery stores. But make sure to check your store's website for additional deals and discounts. And I'll have more deals posted on our site at abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.